Reaching out to all patriots. We are under attack. We are being silenced and censored by social media platforms all across the web. We need to be able to communicate without a biased censorship controlling what we can and cannot say. Luckily for us, there is a way to fight back. There is a platform that encourages free speech. This platform allows us to have the steering wheel. We control what we see, and who sees what we post. No AI algorithm controlling what we see, hear, think and feel. Let's work together and spread this. Let's spread power back to the people. Let's take this power from the few and give it evenly to the many. It is now more possible and easier to do than ever before. Starts with just one word. Webtalk. Webtalk does not censor. They allow us to control what we see and post what we want. But not only this. They share profits with the members. Every member earns, just by completing their profiles, and being active on Webtalk. With 0 followers we are instantly monetized. So here is my plan that we are inviting all patriots to follow. If we invite all the patriots, and get them to invite all the patriots as well. Us patriots all will be some of the biggest earners on Webtalk. This alone would help put power back into the people's hands. We can take back our freedom, and slowly phase out other media platforms that have been silencing us for years. This is so simple and easy to do if we come together and work as a team. First, all you need to do is look around this video for a link. Join and complete your profile. Get your own personal link that when members join through, you get rewarded, and then invite more patriots. It is as simple as sharing this video with your link. So, are you in? Join today and begin giving back our freedom.